you going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make mochi, sweet and delicious with a scrumdiddlyumptious filling, peanut butter and caramel, dulce de leche. So let's go and I'll show you how I make it. Okay guys, the varieties for mochi filling are endless. And today I'm doing a sweet, but you could definitely do savoury. And today my sweet filling for my mochi is condensed milk, caramel or dulce de leche, and I made it last night. How delicious does that look? And some crunchy peanut butter, and I'm going to scoop a handful of each into a bowl, mix it together and put some dollops on a plate and put it in the freezer. So let's go and I'll show you how I make it. Alrighty, I got my bowl here and I'm going to scoop some of this delicious caramel in the bowl. Just a big old scoop, whatever floats your boat, really. I got that much in, and some peanut butter. And I'm going to just give it a stir and mix it all together like that. And then I'm going to put it on the plate, make little dollops, put it in the freezer so it goes hard, so it's easy to put in my mochi when my mochi's ready to fill. So now I'm going to do my little blops like so on the plate. You'll want them the same size too. These are going to be delicious. Okay, I'll do about that many, and I'm going to put it in the freezer. There you go. Wait, there you go, like that. In the freezer they go. Rightio guys, it's time to make the mochi while our peanut butter and caramel is getting hard in the fridge. And you will need for this recipe glutinous rice flour. I have 60 grams of it. In the bowl it goes. You will need 40 grams of sugar in the bowl and 100 milliliters of water. And we're going to give it a mix, and we're going to put it in the microwave for 4 minutes, and every 1 minute you'll take it out, give it a stir, and then put it back in the microwave for the remainder of the time. So you just want to stir it to get all the lumps out. Now it's ready for the microwave for 4 minutes. Okay, while the mochi is in the microwave cooking, I'm going to get my flour ready for rolling my mochi in when it comes out. And I'll put about a tablespoon of icing sugar and a tablespoon of rice flour on my plate and give it a little mix together. So when it's ready, I can roll it in the flour. Okay, 2 minutes to go, and this is what it looks like. Just going to give it a stir and back in the microwave for another 2 minutes. Okay guys, it's out of the microwave and it's been 4 minutes, and as you can see it's all in one ball now. And I'm just going to let it cool for a sec, and then I'm going to roll it in my icing sugar and rice flour. Okay, it is out of the microwave and cooled, and this is what it looks like, a big blob. So I'm just going to roll it in my flour that I've got here, and then I'm going to cut it on my little cutting board that I've got here. Okie dokie. Now I am going to chop it into 5 pieces, and I'm going to get my blobs of my caramel and peanut butter and then roll them and pinch them together. So I am just going to chop them into, there you go, like that.
Tiny pieces of blobs.
Yep, tiny pieces of blobs.
They're like so tiny that Godzilla can even destroy them.
Yeah, like they are, Lando. So I am just going to let them roll in my flour. And then I'm going to get my blobs out. Okay, there they are out of the freezer. And now I'm just going to put them in the middle of the mochi. So I'm just, there you go, so you can see it.
The peanut butter and caramel things look like poo.
Oh, great. Thank you.
They actually have the colour of poo, actually.
Okay, so I've got my mochi there. Now I'm just going to get my mochi and I'm going to flatten it out like that. So I can put it in the middle of my mochi and then I'm going to squeeze it together. Like so. And then I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes so it goes a little bit cool. Okay. See, and there's my blob. I'm just going to put it in the middle of my mochi and I'm going to squeeze it together. And it all like so. There you go.
How can I still see it when it's in that big piece?
Because it's a see-through, isn't it?
Oh.
Rightio. Let me do all of them and I'll come back. And there you go, guys. That's the finished product and I got 5 out of that lot. And now I'm going to taste it. Guys, how easy was that recipe and bloody delicious. I'm just going to taste one now for you guys. Oh, here it is. Okay, and it goes.
Can I have some?
There you go. That's what middle. Oh my god. Yum. Stretchy and delicious.
Can I have some as well?
Talk about bloody delicious. So guys, if you want to try this recipe, give it a go. Why not? Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another delicious fun video. Cheers, guys.